Google recently released a new feature of Google Translate app, that is practice. So in this video I am gonna to show you short demo of practice feature. Open Google Translate app in your mobile phone. Make sure Translate app is updated in latest version from Google Play Store. Here you can see this is new interface of latest Google Translate app. Here is a practice feature. This feature is currently in beta version. So team is also working on it. Now I am gonna click on practice option. Click on get started option. Here you can select display language and practice language. So I want to practice Spanish language, so I will choose option 2. Here you can choose different type of level. We will start from basic. Now tap on next. You can type your goal in this description box or you can select from any of the following. I am clicking on school or university. Now I will click on start practicing. Wait for some seconds. Interface will be ready. Here you can see different types of card is appearing. Now I will choose first one from today's activities card. Again here are two options. We can listen or we can practice any language. I am clicking on listening. Here you can see process is started. Wait for some seconds. Click on start. Here you can listen pronunciation of these words.
Me gusta la historia. Es muy interesante para mí. Me gusta la historia. Es muy interesante para mí.
Now we will check what was the pronunciation of these words. Click on check option. Here app is showing what you heard. Play to listen pronunciation of this word.
Me gusta la historia. Es muy interesante para mí.
So using this feature we can pronunciate any different language word easily. If you want to practice more, click on next round option. Now tap on this play icon.
Me gusta mucho el arte. Pinto cuadros bonitos.
If you want to go back, simply click on this cross icon. So we will meet in next upcoming videos related to Google Translate practice feature. Comment down your favorite part of Google Translate practice feature.